How to transfer money from Venmo to bank account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps on how you can transfer money from Venmo to bank account. So in order to transfer money from Venmo to bank account, first thing first, you'll need to make sure that you've already linked your bank account to your Venmo account. Otherwise, the procedure will be lengthy and it is a time-consuming process. So what you need to do is you need to add a bank account or link a bank account to your Venmo. After that, you'll also need to verify your bank account. And to verify your bank account, it will take a couple of days. So you need to make sure that you've already linked your bank account. So if you have already linked your bank account, then all you need to do is log in into your Venmo account. After you're logged into your account, you will be directed to the home page, and this is how the interface is going to look like. In the upper right hand side corner, you'll be able to see try bar icon, so click on it. So from the list, you need to click on transfer balance. If you've only linked one particular bank account to your Venmo, then you do not need to select any bank account. By default, the bank account will be selected. However, if you have linked multiple bank accounts to your Venmo, then you'll need to select a particular bank where you actually want to transfer the funds. After you've selected the bank account, you'll need to enter how much amount you want to transfer. And once you're done entering all of these information, click on the submit button. After you click on submit button, two different options will appear right in front of your screen. That is instant and standard. And the difference between instant and 1 to 3 business day is that now if you're in a hurry, then you can simply go on with instant. This might actually charge some amount, but then the transaction will be completed within a second or a minute. Similarly, 1 to 3 business day, if you tap on this option, it will take a couple of days in order to make your transaction successful. And this is also free of cost, which does not charge any amount. So you can go on with any of these following options, whichever is convenient for you. After you've done that, you'll be notified that you've successfully transferred the amount, and that is how you can transfer money from Venmo to bank account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.